Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make animated cartoon of yourselves and even make animation with those cartoons we are going to make. So it is a very nice feature in PowerPoint. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to the insert menu on the top, and then when you click on the insert menu, we'll be able to find one option called as add-ins. Click on that, and then there'll be a drop down menu where you can get two more options. So you can click on this option called as get add-ins, and then this dialog box will appear. And then it is a free software. You don't need to buy anything. You can, in the search bar, you can just click on Pixton and then search. And then this is the one we have to select, and then you just have to click on add, and then you have to click on I agree or to all about terms and conditions, and then just click on continue. And then when you go to the home tab, you'll be able to see after a minute Pixton character, the thing which we added now, adding. Look, the Pixton characters has been added. So to create your own character, we have to click on that. So when you click on that, you will get this box, and then it will say some welcome and all, one note will come, and then you can just click on get started. So when you get started, it will ask you to search for a type of character you want, like a man, a girl, something like that. So you can just choose whatever you want. So I'll go with a simple one like this. And then now it will ask you for choosing your like a skin color or something like that. So then maybe we can choose this one. This looks kind of good, so you can choose that. And now we have to choose our hairstyle. So there are many hairstyles. I think this suits me better, so I will go with that. And now the last step is to choose an outfit. uh, there are many outfits for this one character, so you can choose any like an engineer. There are many, like a college student, there are many. So I'll go with a simple one like this, or maybe let's go with this. And then now it will ask us what pose do you want to insert into your slide. So you can choose any pose you want. Like there are many with the umbrella taking a selfie, uh, this like a happy face and all. So if you click on this, the character will be inserted, and then you can resize it and reposition it according to you. So you can just make it a bigger, you can resize it, and you can even reposition it. There are many options in this also. So now let's make some animation. So if you want to make animation, let's make a setup. So like let's make a subway station with some guy selling some products. So you can download some pictures from this nice free software called as free pick. You can just click over here a subway station, and then you'll get many pictures. So let's do that. So as you can see, there are many awesome pictures as you can use. So let's go with this one, and you can even download it. So let's download it. You can just click on the download button here, and if you want to download it, actually it will ask you for paying. So if you don't want to pay, you can just right click, left click on it and save image as. Also you can click that one. It won't ask you for any like go premium and all. So, and now let's insert it into our slide. So after inserting, it will look like this. So now you can just add any symbol you want, like some kid showing the train or something like that. You can. So let's try to make something like that, or we can even make a like a tea stand or something, and a person selling something like that. You can just add it, and then it will get inserted, and then simply you can resize it however you want, like this. You can resize it and reposition it. So now our slide is looking good, but maybe it will look even more good if I can take it to the next level with more animations and stuff like that. So to animate, we have to just make a slide, uh, um, duplicate the slide. You can just left click on this in the left side, and then there'll be one option to duplicate the slide. Or here, duplicate the slide, and the same slide will get inserted like that. So now we have to click on the first one, and then uh, take the image, the character, and take it away from the slide. Just like that, we have to take him off the slide, and in the next one, in the next slide, you can just click on this, go to the transition tab over here, and then click on more. Then you'll have this animation. So let's check it in, let's see how it looks. So go to the slideshow, and then let's see how it looks. So this is the normal one, and when you click on more, as you can see, the person comes right into it. So that is how you can add new animations and everything in that. This is a new feature of PowerPoint. You can animate yourself and stuff like that. So thank you friends for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.